Would like to invite Shashank Shrivastava, ED, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, to shed more light on the milestones achieved by the Indian auto sector and the critical issues which need to be addressed for the industry to achieve its full potential in the next 25 years. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our distinguished guests.
So good evening, everyone. And I'm happy to share this platform with some of the most eminent voices and opinion leaders. Today at the Times Now Summit, celebrating India at 75 and shaping India at 100. As India's leading automobile manufacturing company, Maruti Suzuki intends to celebrate this milestone and acknowledge the many achievements of India at 75 and collaboratively work towards strengthening the future of India. In fact, post-liberalization, Maruti Suzuki has been a harbinger of India's growth story. So our customer says India drives home in a Maruti Suzuki. We are honored to be part of India's growth. Through the pandemic, the auto industry has endured and continued to thrive through the often turbulent and dynamic nature of this industry. Despite being hit through the pandemic and current supply chain issues, which was referred to earlier, the Indian auto industry stands resilient as it gears up for the next phase of growth. The Indian automobile sector is intrinsic to the economic growth of our country, as auto industry's growth has a direct correlation with India's GDP. Indian auto sector contributes to the GDP almost 7.1%, and we generate employment opportunities for over 37 million people in India. The Indian auto sector makes up 49% of the manufacturing GDP, and with the increasing disposable income and the growing young population in India, in a car penetration of just about 25 per 1,000 people, as if you compare it with those of the more developed countries, 700 to 800 cars per 1,000, the auto industry has an immense potential to be a major growth driver for India. In fact, from being nowhere on the world car manufacturing just 35 years back, when the volume for people who know of those times, 70,000 was the volume in 1985, and it has grown today to over 3 million. We are now the 5th largest automobile passenger vehicle car manufacturer and poised to become 4th soon in the future. And I can say that the future is ours. Speaking about the other auto segments, I would like to highlight that India is the largest manufacturer of two-wheelers and tractors, 5th largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in the world. In the last 75 years, the automobile industry has been a hallmark of invention, of innovation and resilience. It has been an essential backbone of India's progress and shall continue to play an indispensable role in leading India to fulfill its $5 trillion economy ambition. Today, while we celebrate India at 75, I would like to share our contribution to this journey and how we are aligning for the next 25 years. Auto industry role in boosting India's manufacturing progress. Automobile manufacturing contribution has been a driving force of the sector. It is therefore important to raise the share of manufacturing in India's GDP to at least 20% in the next 5 years from the existing 17%. The pandemic has presented a unique opportunity for India to fundamentally reassess its role in being a global manufacturing giant and encourage more supply chain diversification within its domestic markets. The supply chain crisis that we see today reinforces the urgent need for India to prioritize localization and boost domestic manufacturing of critical components. Recently announced government's PLI scheme is a step in the right direction towards developing an ecosystem that is conducive for localizing the total automotive value chain in India. Auto industry exports is also very important in the Indian auto sector with an annual turnover. We just heard Gadkari-san talking about 7.5 lakh crore rupees, and exports are worth about 3.5 lakh crores. The auto industry's export growth and job creation capacity have a large bearing on our country's development as a formidable manufacturing destination in the coming years. Today, nearly 90% components of Maruti Suzuki vehicles are localized, and there are some components for which we still rely on imports. So the pivot towards a more aggressive local manufacturing is something that every auto industry player stands to benefit from. India's auto industry must be self-reliant and to become truly globally competitive. And that is why Maruti Suzuki is very much aligned to the Make in India initiative. Auto industry is pivotal to India's manufacturing prowess. For the auto industry to be fully out of the woods, there is only one mantra: growth, growth, and growth. At Maruti Suzuki, we believe that to accelerate the growth potential, we must ensure that more and more Indians are able to afford cars. Suzuki Motor Corporation, our parent organization in Japan, has been prioritizing the development of the technologies that are suitable for the Indian market. For us, small is big. Maruti Suzuki is fully committed towards building a future that will further India's ambition of achieving its net zero emission targets of carbon by 2070, irrespective of regulatory requirements. For many years, Maruti Suzuki has been working towards reducing carbon footprint, and we have adopted a combination of powertrain technologies based on electrification and CNG to bring India closer to that zero ambition, net zero carbon ambition. Maruti Suzuki's fleet of cars have the least carbon emission per kilometer as the latest report of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. They are thus the cleanest and the most efficient in the industry. We are looking at new ways of reducing the carbon footprint. With every new model we introduce, we will try to achieve and move towards that goal. I'm pleased to share today, in fact, that I've just come from the launch of India's most fuel-efficient petrol car, the new Celerio. And talking about also digitization, driving innovation in the auto industry, the digital disruption has left no exceptions, and the Indian auto industry has undergone an accelerated transformation. Not just in terms of more digital-first vehicle features, but also in terms of digitalization of most of the customer journey from stage of inquiry to physical delivery of the car to the customer. Therefore, more than ever, digital is increasingly occupying the center of our strategy. At Maruti Suzuki, we have already digitized 24 of the 26 touch points that the customer goes through in his purchase journey. The industry recognizes that most customers have become increasingly digital savvy, and meeting this preference requires a strong tech support on the back end and a data-driven hyperlocal marketing approach. We have completely reimagined the traditional purchase journey with a digital sales experience that is truly befitting the digital future. Right from utilizing data analytics to artificial intelligence, leveraging big data, to personalized marketing for the individual customer, servicing choices of predictive behavior, we are big time into leveraging upcoming technology and digital tools to delight our customers to the core. In fact, not only customer journey, but growth in digital infrastructure and adoption of technologies like 3D printing, digital twin, DT, edge computing, and the IoT, robotic process automation, the RPA, has improved speed and efficiencies across automobile design and manufacturing. In line with the consumer's evolving lifestyle preferences, we have personalized, flexible, hassle-free ownership also. We have introduced the Maruti Suzuki Subscribe, which empowers consumers with a surprisingly easy option to bring home a new car. Maruti Suzuki was also, by the way, the first automobile company to introduce a multi-financier end-to-end online car financing solution and real-time loan tracking for its buyers. It's a one-stop online finance portal that empowers customers to transform their buying experience through a digital approach. Critical factors that will help the Indian auto industry achieve its true potential in the next 25 years, I'll just like to elaborate. Today, amongst the august and distinguished gathering of policymakers, head of states with topics of national importance and vision ranging from human and spiritual advancement, cutting-edge technology like space, trade, and economy. We thank organizers for including manufacturing among the topics today, because while we have to formulate and pursue national, state, health, and tech vision for the future, the economy must keep growing, wherein manufacturing and auto industry will play a really big role. The auto industry will see major changes in technology in the next 25 years, with increasing focus and concerns surrounding bringing down the pollution levels. I think it was referred to in the earlier discussions as well. Reducing import costs, burden of oil, overall sustainability, new powertrain options like natural gas, biofuels, hybrids, hydrogen fuel cells, EVs, will have to be explored to address the same and contribute positively to the economy. In future, auto industry shall continue to play a critical part in India's growth, exports, employment, as there is massive manpower that is deployed in manufacturing units, the dealership networks, the tier 1, the tier 2, the tier 3 vendors, their ancillary units. Alongside, India is becoming therefore a global hub for manufacturing, high volume models for exports as well. I believe that Indian auto industry has weathered some of the toughest market conditions while not losing sight of the future. Throughout it all, our industry has been focused on overcoming the challenges of today and tomorrow as we relentlessly explore and develop technologies that will take our nation to the next frontiers of progress. Indian auto industry is sitting at the cusp of a massive growth explosion, especially in the current macroeconomic scenario, where the world is looking at a China plus one policy. Herein, on the basis of our manufacturing prowess, the economies of scale, the ingenuity, the reasonably priced labor, we stand to gain the maximum from this latent opportunity of expansion. Maruti Suzuki is preparing, along with the auto industry, for the most exciting 25 years of India's automotive journey to become a global leader with sizable young population ready to put wheels to their dreams and aspirations of the newfound freedom of mobility. While we look forward to India continue to drive home in Maruti Suzuki, we also foresee that in Indian automobile industry's journey to pinnacle lies the turbocharger for accelerating India's zenith of global leadership. Let us resolve together to make India greater. Jai Hind. Thank you.